good day everyone from the different countries of the world to watch my videos. I hope that you like my videos here in my YouTube channel, and also you watch me in my Facebook page Baywatch Solution, and also in my TikTok account, the same as my name in this YouTube channel. We simply design these platforms to be able to improve the solving skills of the students before graduating, and this is the greatest preparation after graduation for your own board exam. And they say that the problem is hard, especially math, but always solve and solve until you master. And that's my motto.